Hey, what up, you guys? Xhuliano here, and today I'm here with my boy Victor, and we're gonna be doing the being electrocuted prank. Let's get it, baby. Hey, do you mind helping me out with this? Hey. Yeah.
Hey, you need to jump. This not out of touch. Hey, jump.
Zoom in good.
He didn't work. He didn't do it.
Huh?
That guy didn't do it?
No, bro. He was busy, dog.
Really?
Oh shit, his car needs jumping through now, man. Fuck. What is this bullshit, dog?
Here, bro.
No, you're gonna put it. I'm gonna let
Hell no, bro.
This is it.
I know how to do this. This is my first rodeo, bro.
For real? Fuck.
Good, bro.
No, bro.
Get in the car.
No, bro. Fuck, bro.
You're good.
No, bro. Don't.
Hey,
Fuck.
Sit down.
Get in the car.
Get in the way, bro. Don't start.
Fuck, bro. My leg is locking up and shit.
Get up in there. You want water? Get in there.
Fuck.
Here, get some water.
Hey, don't call, please. Don't.
Get some water.
Oh, fuck.
They won't arrest you for it, bro. That ain't no. Not really legal. Yeah, it's not like. Then, did you?
Bro, I feel my heart, dog.
Yo, you wanna call 911, bro?
I feel my heart.
You wanna call 911?
Oh, fuck, my heart.
Hey.
No, don't.
Hey, bro. You alright? Get in the car, bro.
Here. Do you know why you shouldn't call 911?
Why?
Because this was actually a prank, because I'm actually an actor.
Are you serious?
Yeah. What up, bro?
What the fuck?
Good shit, bro. Hey, there's the camera right over there. Hey, come here, bro. Bro, yeah, good acting. What, baby? I was acting, though. Huh?
Dude, that seriously does happen. That seriously does happen.
I was acting. What up, G? What's happening, man? Hey, thank you so much, bro. Fuck. Damn, is that a police scanner?
Yeah.
Good shit. How much you guys get it for?
I got it for...
Damn, good shit. And probably it's gonna be. Fuck.
Gucci?
Oh, my heart, bro.
Yeah, you straight? Hey, get up.
Fuck.
Get up.
No, once I just sit for yourself.
Fuck, bro.
Chill.
Oh, fuck, bro.
Chill, bro. You good?
I feel my heart, dog.
Bro, you good?
For some reason I need to call an ambulance.
No. I have fucking illegal marijuana in the bag. Don't.
Throw it out, bro. Get up, bro.
Fuck, bro.
You straight?
No, bro. Fuck.
No, you want me to call them?
Fuck here.
Get in the whip, get some water.
Fuck.
Here, come here. Are you good?
Bro, I feel my legs and everything's fucking shaking, bro. Bro, my.
Yo.
Fuck my chest, dog. I feel like I'm gonna have a heart attack, bro. Huh? No, bro.
Yo.
Oh. No, dog, I gotta jump my car, bro.
This man.
Pretty good, thank you. Yeah. Oh, fuck. It's so cold outside. Thank you so much, man. mall. Everything good? Shopping for Christmas? Yeah. Put them on?
Yeah, put on.
Okay, beautiful. Red on red, black on black, right? Okay. Yeah. Think it's like this. Yeah. Yes, sir. It's on?
Yep, go ahead.
It's on?
Yep.
Oh, fuck. Oh, they touched. Fuck. They touched.
Are you alright?
I don't know.
Hey, you want me to call the police?
No, no, no.
Are you sure?
No, no.
You alright? You alright?
They touched. It was actually a prank. Thank you so much, man. How was everything? Everything was good, huh? I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry. There's the mic and everything. There's the camera over there. Do you guys see it?
Oh no!
Hey, do you want me to type in the YouTube for you guys and then you guys can watch it when you go home? Yeah. Hi guys, how was it, huh?
Hey, bro.
Camera.
Hey, come here, bro.
I knew you had a car somewhere, bro. I seen the mic and I was like, alright.
For real?
I knew for real. I knew.
And then
I saw you got you cold. That's why you said you had some.
yeah, it was actually just.
Okay, you
Was it good?
now?
Yeah, we're good. Thank you so much. Hey, Hey, thank you for being a good man, bro. I'm so sorry, bro. You know.
That's fine. Okay, everything okay?
Yeah, everybody's good. Thank you.
Okay, happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays and Merry Christmas. Oh, do you want me to type it in your phone?
Okay, then.
Thank you so much. Is it cool if I post it? Is it cool if we use the reactions?
Yeah, sure. For me.
Yeah.
You hurt?
I'm sorry, bro.
She literally freaked out.
She was freaking out?
She's like, open the door.
XHU.
That was so funny.
How was the acting though? Was it good?
I don't know what to do. You were tripping.
Right here.
Okay, thank you. I might pass. No check job.
Yeah.
Help me. That's why I'll go. Okay,
I thought you guys need help, you know?
I am so sorry, man. Hey, thank you so much. Hey, hopefully this made you guys' night and everybody's happy, you know? Have a good night, guys. Thank you so much.
Ty o mnie mu, bitch, on jest nie o ty. Apę den tjuś, bitch, apę den tjuś. Drille, 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 drille. Ey, both on the mother, drille, drille.